The roles and responsibilities of the Board President.
Hello, this is Dr. Jeff. Really appreciated attending the Board President's workshop. The agenda was very packed, lots to cover, but here were some of my takeaways that I'm just taking as an individual member. The first is being aware of myself. Yeah, some people call this emotional intelligence because you got to know yourself well, and at the same time, if you're the board president, you have to know others as well so that you could just create that best environment where people can work together. And so that also includes another point, which is building team unity. Now, in my personal situation, so much unity already there, so how can I maintain and even grow that? There's then a lot of thoughtfulness of others. So in addition to being very mindful of myself, and for myself, I do encourage and enjoy myself journaling and thinking about different areas that I want to work on, as I find that that thinking helps me to grow. Also thinking of others as well. How can I be thoughtful of others? This includes collaborating with others. This includes collaborating with the superintendent of schools, and the board president does that perhaps more than any other individual board member. So most of the people I've ever worked with, just in general, all across the board, there's just so much that we already agree on together. I find that when we focus on the things that we already agree on, we actually make a lot of progress. So at the end of the day, the board is not necessarily the star. The star, of course, are our students who we are providing the highest quality of education for, our teachers, our staff, and my hope is that my main work can be being proud of them and letting them know that I am proud of them. Well, I think this includes then preparation. So thinking through in advance what it is that I need to do, thinking about myself, thinking about others, thinking about the agenda items, thinking about the laws that are in place. And when all these factors come into play, I've done some pre-planning, of course, leaving a lot of room for the work to happen. But having that pre-planning definitely helps for the work to go more smoothly. So if I were to become the board president, at the end of the year, my hope would be that I've contributed to providing the highest quality of education that we could all envision together. And I really want to thank Parvin, Amadi, and Daryl Camp, who facilitated this session. And glad I had a chance to attend because it was a great learning experience. Also, so great to learn with others. I've thought this ever since stepping into this role of school board, how many amazing folks there are who are so sacrificing, who are serving, who are leading in such a self-sacrificial way. So glad to learn with so many of the people here, folks that I've already known but got to know better, and others that I got a chance to meet.